Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have some interesting numbers coming out of IDC that checks the market share of PC sales, and well, it seems that we have reversed the slowdown as the PC sales are growing again. Actually, the first numbers that are starting to come out since the January 2024 is a rise of 3.1% in PC sales. So the first number also that they did bring to us was this is what it looked like from the end of 2022 until the end of 2023. And it shows that actually the PC sales started growing again starting at the end of 2023. And this is actually continuing. And what they're saying is that as we reach 2024, the PCs that were actually sold in 2020 for the pandemic time, a lot of people are starting to replace them. They are saying that the average replacement age of a PC is 3.5 years. We are there, and that's why this is growing again. So not everybody, of course, keeps 10-year-old laptops. A lot of people find that they want to have something fresh and new for using for their business or using for work and even other types of entertainment. Now, the other interesting numbers is they're actually having predictions until 2028, and this is what it looks like. So 2023 is here. We're going to reach almost 400 million PCs sold this year. We're going to surpass that at 400 and some million here. And the projections are that it's going to level off but still be high numbers of PCs sold until 2028. They attribute that to two factors. Apparently, a lot of people are hearing about the new PCs with AI capability, which means they have an NPU, and are curious and tempted to go there. And the other thing is, of course, with Windows 11, Windows 10's end of support ending next year, and a possible Windows 12 eventually, all of this together is actually placing the market towards a positive growth of PCs and a lot of PCs sold. Once again, a lot of people were, talking about the death of PCs and of Windows PCs, and it's not happening. People still need a computer. And, there is a place for that and a growing place for that here. This does not include just Windows, by the way. This is general, so it means that if this market growth is there for PCs with Windows, of course, it'll probably also be the case for Mac computers. So this is showing that we're moving forward. Of course, people buy Windows PCs. Once again, showing that there is no, way of people's going in, huge mass numbers to Linux. It's not going to happen. People thinking that are people that just don't understand the PC market itself. There's a place for enthusiasts with Linux, but you can see here that people are buying regular PCs and not Linux PCs. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.